Jadid.
We are from Technical Department System Base.
Excuse me, sir. Good morning.
Yes, how can I help you?
I would like to enroll become a new cadet in Academy.
Department do you choose?
This is one of my problems. I am still confused about which department that is suitable for me.
Alright, let me give you explanation first. Actually, we have 4 departments such as Marine Mechanical, Engineering Technology, TRPK, Ship Operation Engineering Technology, TROK, Marine Transportation, Transla, and Management Port Logistics Maritime, MLM.
Can you guide me for each job career in the future?
Yes, of course. For technical, you will be able to work as a technician for repairing and maintaining the engine. And even if your career is good, you will be able to be a chief engineer.
How about for nautical department?
For nautical, you will be able to be a chief officer or even a captain at the ship.
Alright, I understand, but you still miss explaining me about port and shipping management.
Oh, I'm sorry. For port and shipping management, you will become a staff or even become a management in shipping company in Indonesia.
So, which department that is suitable for me, sir?
May I know what major you got in senior high school?
My major was IPS.
Good.
If you are from IPS, so KPN is appropriate for you.
Good.
But sorry, sir, I really want to be a ship officer. Can I choose nautical department?
Good.
Not you cannot, because for nautical you should come from IPA. Major, so sorry to tell you about this.